iOS18 fix iPhone stuck on support.apple.com/iPhones restore screen. Hi guys, if your iPhone is stuck on the support.apple.com/restore screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, begin with checking your charger and cable. Ensure you're using a reliable Apple-certified charger and cable. A low or unstable power supply can sometimes be the culprit behind this issue. If your device supports iOS recovery mode, follow the steps. While your phone is plugged in, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons simultaneously. Select the recovery mode option from the screen. Wait for the process to complete. The system will reset. Try performing a force restart. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Wait for the process to complete. The system will reset. If this method doesn't work, use another Apple device or a friend's phone to contact Apple support. You can reach them through their app or website for further troubleshooting. And that's how you can fix your iPhone stuck on the support.apple.com/restore screen. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone facing this issue, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.